Hello guys, guess what? We arrived in Alcudia. We are going on the beach. It's the most amazing beach from Mallorca. It's I think 5-6 miles. You can walk on it. If you come to Palma de Mallorca, it's like 45 minutes away from Palma. You have direct bus. Let's go around. Let's see how it is.
Mais c'est qu'on repasse ce soir. Non, je...
Look at this water, guys. It's crystal, like you see everything. Look at the fishes. Okay guys, like this is looking Alcudia. Today we are on 25 of April and it's not so busy, but the water is looking unbelievable. It's so clean. It's a little bit windy at the moment. Why? Because here is open, it's not like in Calador. I make a lot of videos in Calador, there is normal to don't be windy, but on this part, because you can walk from that side, yeah, till over there. It's around about 6 miles, I think, if not more. If you come to Calador, be sure you take your feet in the water and just walk on the beach and try to make from a side to the other to see how long it's getting. I was thinking to do that, but not having too much time. Let's go a little bit around of town to see how it's looking, to make an update of the town, and we are going back to Calador. Let's see. The last time when I went in Alcudia was a couple of years ago, like for a proper party. Actually, I think 2017. Still, I have the VIP card from the club. Which club? Banana Club is over there. It's the biggest club from the Alcudia, and it's another one in Campica for Charlie's. I don't remember how it's looking there. I don't remember how to go there. Let's go around. I will show you right now. And close to Dollar Street, close to the beach, you have Pizza Hut. I don't know exactly the timetable. At the moment it's 12:39 and it's open, but you can check on Google like this. Here you have KFC. Next to Banana Club you have Burger King. Actually, you have all of them next to each other. And just from there you go on the beach. It's not too far away if you are hungry. Already we arrived at the Dollar Street. Like this we say, I don't know exactly the name of the street, but for us locals we say Dollar Street. From there you go on the beach. On this side you go to Bellevue Club. If you are staying on Bellevue Club, the beach is round about 5-10 minutes walking. Here you have a Pizzeria Italiana and steakhouse, but is empty. The place changed a lot. How it was last time, and it's quite empty. Were there all the people? Look at this street with that palm trees looking quite nice. But that building, nothing changed from 2017. Is looking the same. Nothing changed. The hotels, yeah, they are renovating. I think every 2-3 years they are renovating. They paint. This one, couple of years ago, was looking completely different. Even they start to renovate also Bellevue. Already, if you want to see Bellevue Hotel, you have a video. Check my YouTube channel and you found there. Bamboo. The Bamboo. This is the name of the hotel. It's looking quite nice. Over there is Bellevue. Let's go to see if the Prince of Wales is open and to show you exactly where it is. Okay guys, there is Bellevue. From there we come from the beach, and here before the beach we come towards the beach. We go on the right. Let's see how it's looking, if it's open, if still it is here. Yes, still is there guys. It's just here. Still is open. Wow, this is a long time. And this is the place, the Prince of Wales. Okay guys, let's go also in the other side. Okay guys, and this was the video of today in Alcudia. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. And if you want to see something else in Mallorca, a review, a place in Mallorca, a hotel, a restaurant, just let me know in comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.